Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Linux server and connect it via putty and then install Apache server and create a HTML file here. So let's log into your AWS account. Right. I'm logging into my AWS account now. Ignore my terminated instances. We are creating a new one now. Linux machine, select one Linux machine. Free tier 1 says usual, default VPC and subnets, enable auto assign public IP and leave everything else as it is. If you want, you can add a IAM role here, also add your on-premises Active Directory here. So just go through these options. Shutdown behavior you can change, monitoring, CloudWatch monitoring, which is payable service. Tenancy, you can use a shared area or dedicated ones. So let's go to the next stage. 8 GB is fine for now. Tags, if you want, you can add tag or go just without it for now. Rules, you need to add here HTTP to be able to install Apache server. Review and launch. Create a key here. That Linux key and download this key and launch it. This may take few minutes, depends on the network speed here. Linux server, sorry, Linux server. Okay, you can see status is still, I need to see 2 by 2 status passed. So I will wait few seconds for it or refresh it. You can see it is initializing, which may take few minutes. So let's wait for it. Right. You can see our server is now up and running. 2 by 2 checks passed. Now let's go to the puttygen to create the key for it. Load it. Choose your all files and Linux key. Click OK and save private key. Linux key server. You can give any name to it or Linux server key. Looks better now. Okay, close it. Go to the putty now. And before that, you can copy the public IP address here. Paste it. Load your key. Sorry. And click on SSH and click on auth. Browse it, your key, Linux server key. Open it. Click yes. Log into your server EC2 user. Brilliant. Now you go to the root sudo su. Okay. Now just installs the update. Yum update. Why? So any required updates, this will install now. Just waiting for it for a few seconds. We will install the Apache server next. Once this is completed, okay, this been completed now. Let's use the command now, yum install httpd. Yeah, installing Apache server now. Click yes. Okay, that's been completed as well. Now let's start the service. Service httpd start. Now, since my service has been started, now I copy the public IP address and check if the Apache server has been installed. Perfect. So we have installed the Apache server here. We can go back to our commands, okay, and try to create a HTML file here. Now, to create HTML file, use the command which I'm going to upload here with my video. Cd space var variables, which var www /HTML. Now, this is the location for my web server where I can copy all my data for my web services. Sorry, website. Now I need to install it in HTML file, which the command is vim index HTML. Right here, we just need to type first insert HTML, close, enter, h1, you can type a message. This is my HTML file. You can type the message here you like. H1. Right. Remove these spaces. They are not required. Press escape. Shift colon WQ to save the work, whatever you have done so far, and hit enter. Okay. Now let's refresh our page and see what happens now. Look, this is my HTML file which we have just created. Okay. So that's it. This is what we wanted now. Now to give it a domain name, there is another service added to it, which is Route 53, which I'm going to show you in the next lab. For now, this lab is completed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like it or comment it. Thank you very much.